Hello and welcome back to the Dungeon Manual. I'm your host Rene and today we are doing an unboxing video again. This time the Kalaman military warband. So let's start, shall we? So I like those warbands. So you get a very cool miniature collection with the right miniatures for the right circumstances. So here you got a lot of knights and yeah, sure, for every possible usage, maybe as a town guard, for example, or so. So those guys here are very usable as a town guard or something like that. Very cool. Yeah, sure, the spears are bent as hell, but that happens with the WizKids miniatures. Here you have some knights. Very, very versatile miniatures. Then you have here another knight. Oops. And here some kind of commander or maybe a sheriff or something like that, as you want to use it. Yeah, and that's all for today. If you liked this very short unboxing video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support and see you the next time. Bye!